Yeah, they down with this. Cause they down with this.
Kei ngā mana, kei ngā reo, raurangatira mā tēnā koutou katoa. Nau mai ki tēnei whakapāhotanga. Whakamutunga me ki o tēnei whiringa whānui e ki ana ko te Super 8 Secondary Schools Rugby Union Competition. Ki konei, ki Kirikiriroa, ki Hamilton Boys.
Just steadying. There's the hooter for the start. Great to have you with us here on Whakaata Māori Super 8 Rugby, coming at you live. And it will be the home squad playing from left to right. And now's a great opportunity for Kirikiriroa to continue. Close to the line, 10 metres out. Good taking the line out. They've got themselves set. They've got all the ducks in a row at the moment. Can they control the football? Hastings, on the other hand, will be wanting to turn it on as Roos gets hold of the ball. Straightened run, charge towards the line. Good effort here from Kara. And Kara gets hold of the ball. Wide numbers, surely out for Hamilton, and they're in to score. Still in control, Hastings. Referees saying, I'm okay, as Maui tries to dart forward, tries to steal the sun and a few extra metres as well towards the line. Here they come, Heretaunga. They've been playing good in 25. Can they capitalise here? So close to the line, the referee's having a decent old look. This could be a tight, tough grind today. And the 3 points easily secured as well. There's big number 8, Dunlop, getting himself positioned. Here's another charge from the base of the ruck. Hastings will need to be on guard here. Bit of intent with the play at the moment by Hamilton Boys High School. As you can see, content to just get there millimetre by millimetre. This time they've got an opportunity out to the left-hand side. Lovely little run for the line, and it will be successful as well for Max Cutter. Look to go for try number 3. Deep into the first half. They're so close to the line. You've got to fancy their chances from here. They'll go down the left edge once again. Here he is, Cutter, going towards the line. He's repelled at the last inches or millimetres from the try line, Cutter. What a first half he is having as Van der Hayden goes for the line. And Van der Hayden this time, the referee says, has done enough. Just looking for multiple phases here. Hamilton, and the cut-out ball is sweet. And it comes out wide as well to Cullen Palo, my apologies. Palo with the football. This is good play from Hamilton. They're looking for try number 4. They're inching their way forward yet again. Pressure on for the Hamilton defenders. That's a good tackle put in there by Southwick, but they've still got the ball alive. Pretty and pink today as Stevens gets hold of the football, and his dazzling footwork comes in for try number 2. Stevens is putting on a show here this afternoon as he comes round to score.
Katau te nonoke. Whā te kaumita mai te rārangi piro a Kirikiriroa, heoi. Ngā hua tuki moata, tuki wawe, ngā paumua, ana ko Heretaunga tēnei, e pāhi haere ana I te paoro kei te taha mau I tēnei. Ana ko Philberg Viljoen tēnei. Taha matau. Waenganui I te whira. Pāhi tawhiti tēnā. Tukurua ki te ti paumua ko te pau. Ko Vincent Kite tēnei. Karo whakaroto ana PJ Pavey. Ana katau ia ki raro ki runga tonu I te rārangi piro mā.
You know, it's been a solid showing here, 19-3 at the halftime break. And now 26 points to 10. Let's see if there's something that might emerge here from Hastings' time in possession. Working it solidly. At the back is PJ Pavey. He scored one before. This is good rucking work as it mauls its way forward, driving and rotating. Everyone getting themselves involved. The 12 comes in, Lambert as well. It's almost a full squad who are pushing towards the line. And it looks as though they may well have tasted success. At the back, will they try to maul their way forward? We'll see. And they've gone down to ground. Setting it up. Hastings Boys High School up. Proud Kura as well from Heretaunga. Are they able to get across the line and get yet another try? They've been willing to give the ball plenty of air through the course of the game, Hastings. Will we see it again? This time, centering up as Kāra Kiong loses the football. And now Hamilton Boys have the footy. And towards the line, it's a try. It's a try to Carson Hunter. which will seal the deal late in this one. As we see the kick, it's into touch, and that'll be enough for the referee to pull the curtain. And it's been a fabulous game of rugby here at secondary school rugby at its very best. Tēnā te mahi katoa of these young men. Wonderful, and at full time, it's Hamilton Boys High School who win this one in the last round of Super 8 Rugby for 2025. They beat Hastings Boys High School 31-22.
Everybody that I know,
Yeah, they down with this.
Mātakitaki,
Cause they down with this.
Rugby!